Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe, and this is a cranberry icy. It's a very simple recipe. It's very good to serve with Thanksgiving and Christmas meals. Okay, now I have already washed and drained these cranberries, and there's 1 quart of them. We're going to put them in this pan. We're going to put 1 cup of water with that. And then we're going to put it on the stove and cook it until these things pop. When they pop, you know they're tender then. So I'll take this over to the stove and put it on about a medium high, I guess, be okay. I like cranberries. There's so many things you can do with them. This little machine, I really like. I use it for a lot of things. If I want seeds out, especially like blackberries. We don't leave the seeds in a blackberry cobbler. Anyway, we're going to pour them in here. Another thing about this little grinder, it gets the pulp out and you don't lose so much pulp. They're plenty tender now. See what's nice about this? You save all your pulp. Anyway, I love this little thing. I use it a lot when I'm canning or... Now, we have our cranberries strained, 1 more cup of water, 2 cups of sugar. I'm putting about 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. I used this to squeeze a lemon. It takes about a whole lemon and 1/3 of another one to get 1/4 of lemon juice out, so that might help you if you're going to do this. Okay, that's all there is to it. We're fixing to put this in the freezer, and every once in a while we'll go stir it because that takes some of the air out of it. It's pretty, but it's also good. I'm going to taste it. Very good. We're going to put this in the freezer. My freezer's not very organized right now. We've taken our cranberry ice out of the freezer, and it's just in the stage of being slushy. We'll want this consistency when you serve it, but it's delicious. You really will like it. I put it in a little crystal bowl. I don't know, you could put it in anything you want to, but I thought this was pretty. I hope you try it, and I hope you like it much as we do, and thank you for watching our videos.